Hello my dear friends, today we came to the 35th Tehran International Book Fair, and we want to visit some of the busy, important and popular parts of the fair together. And while you are watching the video, we want to share some book statistics and let's review and compare the study in Iran and the world. Stay with me until the end of the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, I am sure that the statistics of book reading among people in the world is important to you, and would you like to know how much it is? The amount of time people spend studying varies in different regions. India leads the way with people reading an average of 10 hours and 42 minutes per week, followed by Thailand with 9 hours and 24 minutes and China with 8 hours per week. And also in the United States, an average adult spends about 15.6 minutes per day reading for personal interest. But the average number of books that people buy annually may fluctuate based on reading habits and access to books. For example, in the United States, a person reads an average of about 12 books a year. In Canada and France, which have high readership, people read about 17 books a year. In contrast, countries with lower average reading rates, such as Brazil, report close to 2.5 books per year per person. In Iran, it is relatively low compared to world averages, and Iranians read an average of 7 minutes per day, which means fewer books per year. People around the world and in Iran buy books from different sources. Globally, the main source of book purchases, especially in the United States, is Amazon. Amazon accounts for about 41% of all new print book sales and 67% of all ebook sales. Other notable sources include brick-and-mortar bookstores, which still hold a significant market share, while ebooks and audiobooks are increasingly popular, with platforms such as Kindle and Audible being major players. Book buying habits are more diverse in Iran. Physical bookstores remain a key source, especially for academic and religious texts. Book fairs, such as the Tehran International Book Fair, play a significant role in book sales by offering a wide range of titles and attracting a large crowd. Online sales are growing, and platforms like Digicala and Book City are gaining popularity among younger, tech-savvy readers. However, traditional markets still have significant influence due to cultural preferences for personal browsing and purchasing of books. What is the average cost that people in the world spend to buy books in a year? On average, people in the US spend about $35 a year on books. In the UK, the average annual book spend per person is about £40, about 55 US dollars. Iranians spend a relatively small amount on books annually compared to global averages, mainly due to lower incomes and higher priorities for essential expenses.
Но если вы не поступили по квоте, не отчаивайтесь.
And finally, I want to introduce you the most popular book topics in Iran and the world. In Iran, they are fiction, history and classical literature, religious and spiritual literature, educational books and study aids, romantic novels, fantasy and science fiction. And the most popular topic in the world is fantasy and science fiction. If you like vlogs like this, be sure to leave a comment and tell me so that I can produce more of these contents for you.
Yeah.